Hello, I'm going to show you how to edit the slider of your website. First, we have to go to the dashboard administrator of your website and click in Slider Revolution. Once here, we will see the slider of the website. We click here on Open in Editor. As you can see, we can see the slider here. At the top, we can switch between the slides that we have. If we want to edit the image, we have to go here in Slide Options, Background, and here we will choose the image that we want to change. If we want to edit the text, we have to go through each layer, for example this one, and we can edit the text here at the right. To save the changes, we have to press the Save button to save all the changes that we made on the slider. Thank you.